You lived your life. This is my time. Kaya Toro alikuwa anasema kitambo we used not to have clothes. It just maybe cover your private parts. No, you are done. But siku hizi demo akivachu baby kaka crop top na ka short uko uchi. It's a whole thing. Mbona watembea uchi? You know, we are colonized in that way. It was actually making sense.
Ile sasa ukienda nayo hivi. Unaweza ingia nayo kejani hivyo.
Siezi.
Hata utakanyaga kejani.
When you reach a certain age, hata kama umeraised na those strict parents, kuna age yenye unafika wewe unafaa kuambia your parents like this is how I want my life to be. Mimi nikikuja Nairobi, so walikuwa amenikatalia and then I was like this is my decision and this is my life. Walikuwa reluctant but eventually they are agreeing with me. Nimeenda home, this is how I'm dressing. You have to agree with me. This is me. You lived your life. I mean,
now it's your time.
This is my time. Mbona umetoboa masikio tatu? This is me. This is what I want. Mbona umetoboa? This is what I want. Yeah, because society imesema kutoboa pua sijui it's a sign of being a prostitute. But Indians do that as a sign of beauty. But when you do it in Kenya, you're a prostitute. The only reason I like Nairobi, watu wameanza at least kunormalize like where do you?
Kila mtu ana life yake. Hiyo ndio kitu mzuri.
At the end of the day, it's the intention behind what you do. Let's say kama for example, me getting a piercing, I wanted to actually experience how does it feel. And I feel like it's gonna look good on me. With no intention as do I want to attract men. Walikuwa out of my thinking. Nikiwa na get the piercing.
You are doing it for you.
I'm doing it for me. But someone will look at you and be like, doing it for men. She's a prostitute. Bro! But these same people, mostly unapatanga ni the idle people. The idle people always putting their nose on others' business.